Holy shit. Fucking dumb. Holy shit, what is this guy doing? What are you doing, man? Camera. What is this? Kind of right lane. Yeah, I knew it. What are you doing, man? Holy shit, what are you doing, man? Dude, you know how to drive, or what are you doing, man? Holy shit, man, what the fuck? Jesus. Look at this fucking moron, man. Look at that, man. Shit. Yeah, I don't think I can. Oh,
dude, what the hell are you doing?
I think
he's dumb.
Yeah, I know. Well, he's gonna have fun finding out his fucking clothes. I'm pretty. What the fuck are you doing, fucking retard, man? Oh, what the shit, man. Going on my dash cam. Holy shit. The fuck you doing, man? I try not to, because last time I drove it was a pain in the ass. Oh,
yo!
Shit, bitch. What the fuck you doing?
Right off the bat.